Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to share um, some altar tickets I did for a Facebook group. Um, it is Junk Journals with Penny, and she does these monthly swaps on Facebook, and I've really enjoyed the swaps there. The ladies there are very friendly, very talented, um, and her group is growing. Um, and so this month I joined the, what she called it, Faux tickets. Um, so I agreed to do 2 U.S. partners, and my first partner um, is Julia, and she wanted to, well, I like to ask what the ladies would like. You know, I'm game for anything, really. So last month was these altered puzzle pieces, and I did a beach theme with my partner, and that was lots of fun. So it I let them choose what to make, and I just go with it. So I'm very flexible in that way. Um, so Julia wants like a shabby chic type of altar tickets, and I hope this is shabby enough for you, Julia. So I'm gonna bring it up here. She wanted pastel pink, and that's what I did. I cut up, I think this is American Craft paper that I had in my stash, and I used the Tim Holtz ticket strip die, and I have it right here. Hold on, let me get it here. It's an oldie but goodie. It's the Tim Holtz ticket strip, and I've used this on many swaps, so I love it. Um, and I layered with some lace. This is some trim from Michaels. This is a word die, from Allie. Where is it again? I've been using these tiny words, and I love them. They fit perfectly on here. I used some ribbon from my stash. I think this ribbon is from Michaels as well. This is bling, or pearl bling from Isabel, who's scrap, no, crafting, no, crafting with Isabel Labori. I think that's her name. I keep forgetting. And this is trim from Hobby Lobby. And the word says love. This one says smile, and it's the same thing throughout the one. This one says shine. This one says left. Oops. And then this one says dream. And I just love how these tickets turned out. So that's a shabby chic one. I haven't done a shabby chic in a long time, so I hope Julia likes it. My next partner was Terry, and she wanted to do a Halloween one. Um, so I had, so I used the same ticket die, and I used some of this creepy cloth from Dollar Tree. I just took little snippets here and there on each ticket, and then I added these spiders. I'm trying to use them up. I'm not going to hoard them. From Target, and then I added these purple bling. This paper, I don't know what paper line this paper is. It has like candies and what do you call it, spider web, so I just picked it because I wanted to use up the paper. I typed out some sentiments like Happy Halloween, Trick or Treat, Boo, Eek, and I inked it up with black soot and Trick or Treat again here. So I love how this one turned out. It came out quickly. I was very surprised. I really do like that. I wanted the paper to show with a little creepy spider on it. So that is, I love making, I keep forgetting how fun these altar tickets are. I haven't done them in a while and I wanted to try them out again and I love them. They were very easy to make, a lot of fun too. So these are my 2 altar tickets for the Facebook group Junk Journal with Penny. And I'll try to link the Facebook group down below so you guys can go and check it out. She does like 3 swaps a month. There's rules that apply. You have to follow the rules, of course, to join. But it's loads of fun. Talented ladies on there. So go check it out. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.